You can choose any of those sweeteners. Go for erythritol if you want the final brownie to be sugar-free. You can use chia seeds as a substitute. I am making my own buckwheat flour. You can buy instead. I will leave a tutorial on how to make it in the description. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Let's make our flax egg by combining ground flaxseed with water. Mix them and leave aside to thicken for 10 minutes. Now prepare the dry ingredients and sift them. For sugar-free brownies, I am using erythritol. It is a 1-to-1 swap for sugar. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. A good quality vanilla extract should contain just alcohol, vanilla bean, and water. You can read my article about vanilla in the description. This is the ready flax egg. Now combine wet and dry ingredients and mix thoroughly. Adding dark chocolate chips is optional. Choose sugar-free if you want to. Bake for 20 minutes. Leave to cool and then cut into pieces. The final brownie is soft, dense, and chewy. Absolutely delicious.